Is your Craftsman Riding Lawn Mower deck V-belt worn out, causing uneven cuts or strange noises while running? The problem could be right beneath your feet, a broken or worn deck belt. Welcome to WholeToolBox, your trusted source for mower repairs, replacement parts, and maintenance tips. In this video, we'll guide you through how to replace the Craftsman Riding Lawn Mower deck V-belt safely and efficiently. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Turn off the ignition, remove the key, lower the mower deck to its lowest position, and set the clutch actuator lever to the off position. You'll also see caution icons throughout the video reminding you to take extra care. Start by removing the retaining pins securing the support arms, then detach the arms to release the mower deck from the frame. If the old belt is still in place, slip it off the engine pulley and belt guides, then disconnect the clutch cable from its retainer. Once everything is detached, slide the mower deck out from under the frame. Lift the support arms out of the way and remove the worn deck belt completely from the pulleys. Now, install the new Craftsman Deck V-belt, which is available at WholeToolBox.com, and align it properly. The V-groove side should face inward on the outer pulleys, and the flat side should face inward on the inner pulleys. When the belt is in position, slide the mower deck back under the frame, secure the clutch cable in its retainer, align the belt on the engine pulley and belt guides, and reattach the support arms with washers and retaining pins. That's it. You've successfully replaced your Craftsman Riding Lawn Mower Deck V-belt. For more step-by-step repair videos, genuine replacement parts, and expert maintenance guides, visit WholeToolBox.com, your go-to source for tools and equipment solutions. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.